So guys, welcome back to the Sky Updates. So I'm gonna subscribe to this YouTube channel first before I teach now what I want to teach now. So and this thing go very helpful to most of the guys. So what I want to tell you today now, you the bomb and you don't get enough pictures for the man way they use. If you don't get enough picture for the man way they use, I want to show you how to find picture. Me have to find the man picture or the woman picture, even if not 3 you get, how to find more. So now I'm going to show you this site and how to do it. But first, like this video, subscribe. If you don't subscribe to this YouTube channel now, the next video might go post, you know go see him. You know go see him based on YouTube update. So you guys subscribe now so that the next video I go post, you go see him. So guys, so once you click on this once you click on your Chrome or Pramini, anyone, so you search for pimp eyes. See pimp eyes. Okay, more upload photo. I click here. See I click here. So we'll just find picture of one random person I go use. Okay, this one I work. Understand? My just add down. So that I will show now proof. See this thing, if you find any picture of the person, see click on accept everything, start search. Move this you see any picture of that person you will find now. You see this one, unlock results. So but if you want to save this thing, you got open up for Chrome or Pramini. If you want to save them, you got say save to photos. You save them. Once you save, you will save as HD. So you get, so now have to see any photos you get. If I see put another person and see you will see show more than 2, more than 3. So guys, thanks for watching.